Here at the Leopard 42 Sailing Catamaran, big project going on here. As you can see, we've got the cover guard all in place to protect the boat. Guys are on the boat right now working. We're doing the integral system, both engines, big solar arch and solar array. We're doing lithium batteries and Termodinamica air conditioning. So let's go on board, see how the guys are making out. Yeah, one of our guys, Yandi, down in the engine room over here, working on the integral right now. Not the easiest space to work, also not very cool down there, so he's got a fan running trying to keep himself cool. So pretty tight space, and these integral brackets and alternators are pretty large, so that's a big part of this project, is getting the mechanical side of the equipment installed. So we'll take a closer look at that in a little bit, but let's head on inside and take a look at how progress is going over there. All right, we've got a couple of our guys, Franny and Diego, working on the project over here. Diego's in the hole where the batteries are ultimately going to go. And you can already see he's got the distribution all in place over here with our distributor 1000s. Battery's going to connect to that. We've got our Lynx shunt BMS 500, and then two more distributors that are going to be associated to the charge and the load side of things. Once again, tight little space. A lot of what we're doing on here has required some special carpentry, etc., to make this all work, given the space that we have available to work on. Franny over here is just getting wires prepped and ready for the batteries, so he's just crimping the wires for us over here. We've already pulled all the gas lines for the thermo system. And inside here, once again, space has been a challenge on this boat, so we've had to construct a dedicated special shelf for one of the thermo air handlers. So we had to custom build this shelf for the air handler, one of the thermo air handlers, because space is such an issue. And we've already got the unit up there. And we've got our wires pulled and run over here for the electrical and the communication connections to the thermo. So making good headway. Yeah, only week 2 here, so moving ahead pretty nicely. So this is the starboard engine, and we've already got the integral on-engine generator installed over here with their custom bracket that they supply for these specific Yanmar engines. And ultimately, we've got the alternator in place with the special brackets. It does involve reorientating and relocating the fuel filter, as you can see, but it's customly set up on the integral bracket itself for that fuel filter to be moved, so that you can actually fit the integral on-engine generator in place. So this side is done from that perspective, and we're wrapping up on port side right now.